Today we're going to do a quick tutorial video on how to do a profile factory reset on the Control Vision series of controllers for both heat transfer machines and doughXpress food machines. The same controller is used in both. We do have several different versions of this controller. For instance, this one displays pressure, as you can see. However, this exact same procedure can work with any Control Vision controller. The reasons that we would do this type of procedure is on Control Vision controllers specifically, as they have gotten older, we have seen many instances where the profile parameters do not get set properly. Sometimes power surges will scramble the controller. Sometimes you'll see, only part of a number display. And oftentimes we see stranger phenomenon like my machine was set for Fahrenheit and now it's set for Celsius, or vice versa. The procedure for this machine is very simple, and it is as follows. Starting with the machine powered off, put your finger on the menu button and push and hold. Power the machine on. As you can see, you will get a number, in this case 5.6, with a little R symbol after it showing your revision. When you release the menu button, you will see a profile. This P2 in this case. Your machine will have a unique profile depending on the type of machine that it is. For the case of machines such as the HT600P that we are looking at here, your default profile will be profile 1 for Fahrenheit, profile 2 for Celsius. Contact us at support@hixcorp.com, and an agent will gladly help you find the serial number of your machine and determine what profile your machine needs to be set to. In this case, for a factory reset, since we have this set for a Celsius machine, to do a factory reset, we will dial this to profile number 1, and we will hit the menu button 3 times to save. We'll power off the machine, power it back on, and we will be on profile 1. In the event that you need to reset it to the original profile, you will follow the exact same steps again. Push and hold the menu button. The machine will power on and give you the revision. Release. Dial it to the correct profile, in this case profile 2. Push menu button 3 times. It'll beep. Power off. And when you next power on, you'll be ready to go.